Alright guys, let's welcome back to the channel. Just out bashing my Slash again. Give it a little break. Put a new fresh battery in it, 2-pack, 2-cell. 3300 kV motor in it. See how hot it is. No, it's nice and cool. So little Spectrum Smart ESC. That's all right. It's a hobby wing. You can use your hobby wing. Which one did I use? I think I can't remember which one I used, if it was the one for the Max 10 or the 1080. One of those works with it. Now they might both work with it, so we put another 2S in it, and we're gonna go. This is my I have another one. I had my Pavway the time before this one, 6200 80C. Now I have my Gold Bat, which was one of my very first batteries, which is in there, which I'm still using. 80C 5200. This one's a 6200, so it'll last a little bit longer. But that Gold Bat too, I've got two of them. They're both excellent. Have all sorts of power, as you can see. All sorts of power for a 2S. Yeah, I'm in a construction site, and they got it, California, most of them you got all fenced off to where you can't get in. It's all, I mean, you can get in if you tried, but they put a fence up and a chain and lock for the road, so you can't drive in. You can probably find a place to walk in if you wanted to, somewhere where they accidentally left the gate open. But somebody was working in here today. It was so I thought I would drive in a little bit and find the first little, couple of house pads here, just to go little jumps on. I saw the guy working over there by the school. If you can see way over there, he was working down there. So when he pulled up, he did a little drive-by everywhere to make sure nobody was in the complex. There's been a lot of people coming in and out, checking out the new homes. He pulled up over here, see what I was doing. He saw I was playing with the RC car, and he told him off. I said, I'll leave. I know I'm not supposed to really be in here. And he's all, no, stay, just lock up when you're done. I said, okay, cool, man, appreciate it. Right? It's he's all, yeah, just he's all, you're good right where you are, just lock up when you're done. Right on. So that was cool of him. Appreciate that. Ooh. Just gonna this ain't no skate park, but sometimes I think these are funner than skate parks. Although I might be able to get some traction at a skate park and hit a jump pretty good. I just never had good luck at a skate park. Seem to always break something. ESC seems to be holding up pretty good, so I don't know how it'll do on 3S if you keep doing back-to-back batteries, but so I might buy a cheap one on Amazon, like a $60, no name ESC, a little bit bigger can motor. Maybe throw that in here and take this little one out. And, I think this thing will sit good in one of my WL toys. There's a nice brushless system in it. It'll fit perfect in there. Nice little ESC that it is. Cut the tabs off of it. Ooh. Ooh. I missed that. I missed that. That would have been great. I wasn't aiming. It's my buddy Big Head. Shout out to Big Head RC. Go check out his channel. He's sending me a head mount for the GoPro, so I don't have to. So whatever I'm watching, you know. Because sometimes you're not holding your hands in the right spot. Like, you know, moving with the car, your whole body. So you miss quite a bit. But you get a head mount and you're always watching what you're doing, pretty much. You know? So we're going to try that out once I get it from him. Should be getting in the mail here soon. Man, that thing just takes a tumble and keeps going. Traxxas tough, baby. I know we're not going fast enough to really break anything, but I mean, I guess we are, but 30 miles an hour is pretty fast. That's what I was getting on the street anyways with this setup. The C rating is the same on this battery, and just the milliamps is 1,000 off. The other one was a 6200. This is a 5200. I just get a little less play time. But, oh. And, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to, I want to say it's the body rubbing on those back tires. I'll have to see if we need to trim that up, or maybe a little, ever since I put the low center gravity in, chassis in. I don't know, what do you guys think about making this a little sand demon? Like I said, I hadn't decided what to do with this yet, but the website that I found, and for like 95 bucks, you get the front, the whole assembly, you get the arms, the links, and the new shock towers. And everything's a lot longer and taller to make it the arms a bigger throw. So what do they call it? I'll have to look it up, but if I remember, I'll put the name of the company there. And it's all aluminum parts. So it's like 95 bucks for the front, 95 bucks for the back, for the rear. But and they got a pretty cool the Chevy body on it, and it looks pretty sweet. To or maybe it's the Ford Raptor, I can't remember what body it is, but it's got the paddle tires in the back for sand. You know, it looks pretty mean. I'll have to put that in the description here for you guys to see. And I mean, I don't go to the beach that often, but it looks pretty sweet. Wonder if I could just put regular tires on it. It would handle the same as like the sand. Yeah, just still trying to figure out what to do with this. You know, it ain't gonna stay like this forever. We all got to switch things up. It's a fun car like this, but